What does Newton's first law say about reparations? A body at rest stays at rest. A body in motion stays in motion. Systems, from nature to economics, are in perpetual motion. They continually move resources from one place to another. They expand and extend themselves across space and time. So structural racism isn't a structure at all. It's a system with powerful momentum of its own. My research on mass incarceration shows that in under 50 years, the compounding damages of mass criminalization and punishment have already sapped $7.16 trillion from Black communities. That's equivalent to 86% of the current wealth gap between Black and white family households in less than 50 years. The compounding interest of racial mass captivity, extending since our nation's founding, defines our present. If we fail to seize the opportunity for reparations, it will define our future too. We can let the ghosts of racial harm chase us forever, or we can turn and face them. Repairing that harm will never be more feasible or less costly than it is right now.